Trisha Hershberger is here to help last-minute shoppers find gifts that truly impress. From innovative tech to creative hands-on picks, she's showcasing standout ideas that are still easy to get in time for the holidays. No matter who you're shopping for, Trisha's curated selection makes it simple to give something memorable, no matter the deadline. Hi, Trisha.
Hey there! Give the gift of holiday cheer this season with Cricut Joy Extra. Cricut makes it easy to spread holiday spirit with personalized gifts for family and friends. Whether you're crafting a custom cookie jar, treat box, or personalized holiday cup, Joy Extra delivers professional quality results. Using Cricut Design Space, you can easily select a project, design, customize, and cut everything from personalized labels to an intricate paper Christmas village. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned crafting pro, Design Space makes crafting simple. For the real gadget enthusiast, B Haptics ensures you feel every move and action in games, movies, and beyond. The Tact Suit Pro Vest and Tact Sleeve provide over 32 haptic points of directional feedback, allowing you to feel the precise location of contact, resulting in a more competitive and immersive play. Perfect for VR enthusiasts and now compatible with traditional games like Minecraft, Cyberpunk 2077, and more. This is just so cool. Order by December 15th for Christmas delivery. Now, if you're looking for a great VR headset to pair with your Tact Suit or even just on its own, MetaQuest 3 is my top choice for virtual and mixed reality. All the computational power is built right into the headset, so you don't need to purchase or connect to another device to use it. Whether you want to play games like the new Deadpool VR, work out, learn a new skill, meet up with friends, or travel to new places, this headset makes it convenient and fun. Finally, everyone can use a great laptop. Alienware's Area 51 premium gaming laptops are packed with flagship features to support work, intense gameplay, and beyond. With top-tier performance up to 12 terabyte storage capacity, a power ceiling up to 280 watts, cryo chamber cooling, and a unique design with fluid edges, pillowed palm rests, and customizable Alien FX lighting. No matter your laptop needs, this will best them and then some. For more information and gift ideas, visit dailylounge.com. Back to you.
Thanks, Trisha.